Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about dengue fever. Dengue fever is a febrile illness which is caused by flavivirus and transmitted by mosquitoes, the principal vector being Aedes aegypti. The incubation period of this virus ranges from 2 to 7 days. Dengue fever, as the name itself suggests, a patient would suffer from high grade fever. Also, there can be complaints of headache or there can be complaint of generalized body ache which is so severe that dengue fever is also known as Braypon fever. Also, there can be complaints related to the gastrointestinal system such as nausea and vomiting. Dengue fever can lead to certain complications including dengue hemorrhagic fever, disseminated intravascular coagulation, and dengue shock syndrome. To confirm the diagnosis of dengue fever, your doctor would advise you to get certain investigations done, which can include a complete blood count, which would show altered WBC count, and also there would be presence of thrombocytopenia, which means decreased platelet count. Your doctor would also advise you to get a serological test done to look for the presence of anti-dengue IgM antibodies. Commercial ELISA kits for detection of NS1 antigen are also available in endemic areas. Also, to confirm the presence of dengue virus by using PCR, which would show the presence of dengue virus RNA, is also available in specialized laboratories. Once the diagnosis of dengue fever is established, then treatment is supportive with main emphasis on fluid replacement. Also, there can be symptomatic management such as management of fever using paracetamol. Prevention is always better than cure, and prevention of dengue fever includes vector control, which can be done by abolishing the breeding places of the mosquitoes. So this was all about dengue fever in brief. Here is the overview of what I have discussed. If you think this video was helpful, do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.